thing.
Well, it's a basher. It's durable. Donut. Gio's turn. Yan na po si Gio, trying out his mini basher. Binagalan ko lang yung throttle para safe pa. Kita mo? Kung hindi ko binagalan yun, sakit nun. Oh, what are you going to do? Pag na-stuck, turn off and pick it up. Yan. O, dito lang, dito. Yan. Happy oh. Look at that. You know, bilis. Look at this dude. Warak. Don't bump. Tuntua siya eh.